This video is part of an educational series on Hunter Panel's Tapered Polyiso installation. This segment covers how to cut tapered hips and valleys, and where they are used in a roofing tapered system. What is a tapered hip and valley? Used on roofs at drains and roof intersections, tapered hips and valleys are made of rigid insulation panels. Using tapered hips and valleys creates a slight change in the pitch of the roof surface, allowing water to be properly directed. Two separate 4x4 tapered panels are cut on a 45-degree angle to create either hips or valleys. In this diagram, HP stands for high point, indicating the thicker side of the panel. LP stands for low point, indicating the thinner side of the panel. When a tapered panel is cut in half, two different types of pieces result. One having two high points and a low point. This piece is half of a valley. Two valley pieces are required to make a complete valley unit. The other piece has two low points and one high point. This is a hip piece, and like a valley, two are required for a complete hip. Hips and valleys change the water flow in a tapered system. A valley is installed low side to low side, which creates a trough. The water is directed toward and along this path. A hip is the opposite. Water will flow away from the intersection of the two hip pieces. How do you make a hip? Take one 4x4 piece of Hunter Tapered Polyiso. Using a chalk line reel, draw a line from corner to corner and cut the panel in half along that line. A hip is comprised of two pieces, each having two low sides and one high side. Repeat on another tapered panel. Once both pieces are cut, pair identical hip pieces together, joining them at the high sides. When installed into a system, a hip will move the water in two different directions, away from the intersection of the pieces. One of the most common uses of hips are in gable-style roof systems, pushing water off of roof edges. Hip pieces may be completed in the field, or they are available prefabricated, which reduces waste and labor costs. How do you make a valley? Take one 4x4 foot piece of Hunter Tapered Polyiso. Using a chalk line reel, draw a line from corner to corner and cut the panel in half along that line. After cutting the two tapered panels, place your valley pieces low side to low side. The low side is always pointing in the direction of where you want the water to flow. Valley pieces are used in the creation of a drain sump as transition pieces to aid in moving water. Valleys are available prefabricated, which reduces waste and labor costs. Hunter Panel's Tapered Design Department will help in all facets of your design process, from startup to design assistance and CAD. Whatever it takes is our motto. We are here to help.